Before you decide to buy Browsec VPN, here are 12 things you need to know that could make or break your decision. With so many VPN options out there, it's important to compare Browsec with the competition before committing. First off, Browsec is known for being one of the more affordable VPNs in the market. This makes it a solid option for people who don't want to break the bank, but still want a secure browsing experience. However, if you're looking for more advanced features, you might find it lacking compared to pricier VPNs like ExpressVPN or NordVPN. Next thing, Browsec's server network is relatively smaller than some of the top-tier VPNs. While it covers most of the major regions like the US, Europe, and parts of Asia, it may not offer the same global reach as other providers, which could be a limitation for users looking for diverse server options. The third thing to know is Browsec's speed. While generally decent, speeds can vary depending on your location and the server you're connected to. In comparison to competitors like CyberGhost, which tend to have faster connections across the board, Browsec can sometimes be a bit slower. If streaming or gaming is a priority, this could be a factor to consider. The fourth thing you need to be aware of is the level of encryption Browsec provides. It uses standard AES 256 encryption, which is the industry norm, so your data is secure while using the VPN. However, VPNs like NordVPN use even more advanced security features, including a double VPN option for those who need an extra layer of protection. Moving on to the fifth point, let's talk about compatibility. Browsec is available as a browser extension for Chrome, Firefox, and Opera, and it also has an Android and iOS app. However, it lacks standalone apps for desktop platforms like Windows and Mac OS, which makes it less versatile than some competitors like ExpressVPN. The sixth thing to consider is Browsec's logging policy. While they claim not to keep logs of your browsing history, they do collect some connection data, such as your IP address and session duration. This puts them in a gray area compared to privacy-focused VPNs like Proton VPN, which have strict no-logs policies. Next, let's discuss customer support. Browsec offers 24/7 support through email, but there's no live chat option, which can be frustrating if you need quick assistance. Competitors like NordVPN have much faster response times, with live chat support available at any time. The eighth thing is its ability to unblock streaming services. Browsec works with some platforms like Netflix, but its performance isn't as reliable as the top VPNs. If unblocking geo-restricted content is your main concern, you might want to consider VPNs like Surfshark or ExpressVPN, which excel in this area. The ninth thing to know is that Browsec offers a free version, but it's limited in terms of features and server locations. If you want access to the full range of servers and advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to the paid version. Compared to others like Windscribe, which offer a more generous free plan, this could be a drawback for casual users. Next up, Browsec offers a decent 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you decide it's not for you, getting a refund is relatively simple. Still, keep in mind that some of the better-known VPNs offer even longer trial periods, which could give you more time to test the service before making a final decision. The 11th thing is Browsec's pricing. As I mentioned earlier, it's one of the more affordable VPNs, but this does come with some trade-offs, such as fewer features and a smaller server network. If you're okay with that, it's a budget-friendly choice. But if you're after the full package of speed, security, and features, you might want to look at premium options. Finally, Browsec is a good option if you're looking for a simple, no-frills VPN. It's easy to use, reliable for basic browsing, and affordable. But if you're looking for a more robust VPN with better speeds, security features, and server options, you should check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.